G'day, my name is Wilfred West from Loch, Victoria, Australia. The time is 19 to 11 in the morning, and I do hope you like this video, so please subscribe. Now, this is a rare sight indeed. They've both come out of the nest to have something to eat. You've never seen these two together for a while since they actually took over the nest. I don't want to try to get any closer because if I try to, they're just going to fly off. It's a beautiful day. It's trying to rain. The lake's pretty calm. I'll zoom that in halfway only. I'll let them have something to eat. Oh, that's beautiful, isn't it? Try and zoom a bit closer. Go away, Mozzie. You can definitely tell they're nervous because their nest is just up there. So, and when I was walking past, I thought I could hear them. I wasn't quite sure if I was hearing the birds or the babies. But it looks like they definitely need something to eat there. Their nest is up here. That's where they got the babies in. Oh well, we'll let them feed. My name is Wilfred West from Loch, Victoria, Australia, signing off. Thank you again for watching my videos, and all comments are welcome. You all have a great day now.